Now, instead of taking the logarithm and calculating that, you could use this log linear graph paper. So here we've got on the x-axis, this is a normal linear scale, whereas the y-axis this is the log part, so hence log linear graph paper. Okay, so this is a 3-cycle paper, so because it goes 1, 2, 3 cycles, and it's in base 10. So for each cycle, so that means this is in base 10, so this means that if we go from here to here, then the numbers get 10 times bigger. And likewise from here to here, and from here to here. So if this was indeed 1, then this would be 10, this would be 100, and this would be 1000. So we're multiplying by 10 every time we go up, and so this would be 20, 30, 40, 70, 200, 300, 400, 700. And so these numbers, and so you just, so if this would be 10, then you just find your number. You don't have to transform it into logarithms. The way these lines are spaced out kind of transforms it into logarithms for you. Okay, so if you wanted 25, that would be like here, for instance. If you wanted 400, that would be here. 510, that would be here, etc. So this saves you the trouble of having to calculate the logarithms. So they're spaced, so it's like you take the logarithm of these numbers. So these here are the normal numbers. Then if we could also have an axis with the logarithms, so that would be 1, 2, 3, because that's 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. And so we can look, we can calculate some logarithms to prove that they are in fact evenly spaced out. So here's 2, and that's 0.301, so this is about a third of the way up on this line, and then 7, for instance, the logarithm is 0.8845, and so that is also in about the right place. So the logarithms are evenly spaced. And that's why these normal numbers are kind of squidged up. So similarly, so here 20, the logarithm would be 1.301. 70, the logarithm would be 1.845. And so that all lines up, and they've just done that and made the paper so that does the work for you. So 200 would be 2.301, 700 would be 2.845. So those are just some thoughts on log linear graph paper.